We need to do something. You know what happened the last time you let a girl into the section. The main reason why we wanted JJ out of Section E is for her to not be another Ella. Someone who could ruin my friendship with Yuri. But here we are. And here I am. Nagpapaubaya.
Best friend tayo. Pero ngayon, mas pipiliin ko muna yung sarili ko. I fight for JJ.
No.